Skull candles are one of the most intriguing tools in spiritual work. Their unique shape symbolizes the human mind and the energies connected to it, like thoughts, memories, and intentions. These candles are often for working with the mind, whether you're clearing mental blocks, improving focus, breaking negative habits, psychic connections, and even influencing a situation. The color of the skull candle can add even more meaning to your ritual. Black is perfect for banishing negativity, breaking bad habits, or removing obstacles. White is often used for cleansing, purification, and bringing mental peace. Red focuses on passion, energy, or even clearing emotional blockages related to love. Green is used for attracting abundance, prosperity, and healing energy. Here's how to use a skull candle. Cleanse your candle with Florida water, sage, smoke, or salt water. Rinse to remove any lingering energies. You can use a pen, a pin, a knife, or anything sharp to carve the name or goal on the candle. Make sure you're focusing on the intention, the specific person or yourself that you're doing this for. Now you can go ahead and apply oils and sprinkle herbs that align with your ritual's purpose. Light the candle and focus your energy and intention. Imagine your goal as if it's already been accomplished. Allow the candle to burn completely if safe, or extinguish it respectfully and relight the candle when ready. For this skull candle ritual, I'm doing a mental peace and clarity, using salt water to cleanse my candle, as well as clear quartz. Focus on the intention and let your candle burn as you visualize the desired results. Using image candles in your spiritual practice is simple, but the magic comes from your intention and energy. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure you share this video with a like-minded friend. Let me know in the comments which ritual are you most excited to try. Until next time, stay blessed, stay positive, and stay original.